Now if the question asks, which sound is the greatest sound from out of Zimbabwe and the rest of the world, there's no other answer but the sound Silverstone in a class. And if the question should ask, which selector is the baddest selector on earth, there's no other answer but the man, Mad Minax. Yo, some sound fool better go relax. Them can't go around the other. A major line I represent. Rule them, Mad Minax, you rule the fire. Fire, 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 boy. Let it burn, burn, burn. It's still a burn. Mad Minax, you rule the fire. Let it burn, burn, burn. It's still a burn. Major light, sing the fire. It ain't fire again, yes, fire again. Say anyway, Silverstone, day, fire did it. It ain't fire did it, yes, fire did it. And anyway, Mad Minax, day, fire did it. On a silent step, Mad Minax creep up in you. In the mystic form, he's gonna burn you too. Can't get your run sound, boy, you're gonna die. Whoa, me now go warn you. Kill you now, we gonna kill you. Yes, Mad Minax with the fire right now. Let it burn, burn, burn. It's still a burn. Mad Minax, you rule the fire. Let it burn, burn, burn. Let it burn. Zimbabwe is a witness. Hey, sound boy, no put your back over there. Hey, Silverstone, rule over there. Hey, sound boy, no put yourself over there. Hey, Mad Minax, rule over there. Hey, can't get no water. They can't cool off the fire. They can't cool off the fire. They gonna burn. Mad Minax, you set the fire. Sound boy, you should know. Yes, you should know. Oh, look at that. Let it burn, burn, burn. It's still a burn. The long time fire. It's still a burn, burn, burn. It's still a burn. Jamaica is a witness. Kill them, Mad Minax. Get before this honor.